They are the very best qualified tandem to lead the country forward in the next 6 years. Sila ay mga marangal, matalino, mabait, at talagang magsisilbi sa ating bayan.
Ma'am, how will your organization help the campaign?
Yes, Tumar and Lenny started out like a training group, no? We were reminding people who Mar is, what he has done in all his 22 years in governance, and why he is really the best person. As Pinoy has said, he is the best person to continue the legacy of Madaang Matuwid. Alam naman natin na he has already done so much in his 22 years in government, no? Meron siya ang nagpatuloy ng pinalawak yung BPO. He did the Cheaper Medicine Act. He did he helped the seafarers go on the white list of international shipping agencies. He helped 300,000 families in liblib na mga lugar to get potable water. And he fixed the technology and the processes of the Metro Manila PNP to reduce the crime rate to by about 50%. No? So dami-dami na niya nagawa, but I think people kind of forget what a great man he is, and he has done all of this without a whiff of corruption. And of course, Lenny is very authentic. She's a lawyer. Even before she became a congresswoman, she was already working for the poor as a lawyer in the public attorney's office and in an NGO called Saligan. So wala pa siya sa gobyerno, naninilbihan na siya sa ating mga kababayan. So napakaganda ng kanilang tandem. Mark is an intellectual, he's an investment banker, he has been Secretary of Trade, Secretary of Interior and Local Government, Secretary of Transportation and Communication. So he has the macro view. No? In fact, magkasama kami noon sa kabinete ni GMA. And Lenny, on the other hand, brings, I think, her heart and soul to government. So she will be able to connect the great programs that Mar has thought of and is already planning to do when he becomes president. And Lenny can help make sure that the poor and the disadvantaged, yung mga tinatawag niyang nasa laylayan ng lipunan, ay will also benefit from those programs. So it's a perfect tandem of competence, of experience, of integrity, and of a heart for the poor. Rojas Robredo para sa Dissenting Pilipinas.